Alright, so the next step we're up to is the drive line, basically. This is a very important step. If I get even 1 millimeter off, we'll have weird wobbling and vibrations happening at the back here. So this is a very important step. Let me show you guys how I've kind of come up with doing the drive line. Alright, so as you can see, I've already fitted these on, but they're only tightly fit over the axle at the moment. So what I have to do right now is I have to cut off this end piece, fit this on, tack weld it, right? And then this piece slides over this piece of rod that I've got. So this is the axle rod. It's 1440 grade steel, so it should be perfect for what we're trying to do. Now these will be tacked on here, and these will slide over this rod, right? So now I need to make sure that I cut this to the perfect length, and then these two plates will be bolted together, obviously. Then the sprocket, which is right here, that's the plate for the sprocket, that's the sprocket, that'll be bolted onto this plate, which will also be on that rod. So yeah, that's basically it. And then that rod will be mounted to the frame with two of these. I might need a third in the future, but we're just going to go with two for now. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, this is the scariest part so far. But let's just aim to get it accurate, and then we'll fix whatever we have to in the future.